Active versus passive incomes. What are the pros and cons? Which one offers more benefits? And more importantly, how do you generate one or both? Keep watching. Hey everyone, my name is Bola Shokumbi. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance. I'm also the author of the Clever Girl Finance book series and my most recent book, Choosing to Prosper. Welcome to Clever Girl Finance TV. So in today's video, we're going to talk about passive and active income streams and how to leverage them to achieve your financial goals. So what is active income? Well, active income is income you earn when you exchange your time for money. And this type of income requires management in order for it to grow. The primary benefit of active income is that when you work, you get paid. So it can act as a reliable source of income for individuals. For example, your full-time job. You go to work, you do your work, you get paid. The most significant disadvantage of active income is that it requires you to spend your time and energy in order to earn. And if you are not actively spending your time and energy, then you're not actively earning. Also, how much you can earn when it comes to active income can depend on your educational or skill set level. And as a result, it's difficult to increase your active income with additional time and effort because of that limitation. So active income can come in many forms. Examples include your job, what you earn from wages, tips, and commissions. And so this is income that is earned through employment, such as a regular paycheck, tips for service jobs, or commissions for sales positions. From business profits, this is income earned through business activities like selling products or services, where the business owner actively manages and makes decisions for the business. From freelance income, which is earned by providing client services on a project by project basis rather than as an employee. And also, active income can come from consulting income, which is earned by providing your expert advice and guidance to clients on a specific topic or industry. Next up, let's discuss passive income. So what is passive income? So passive income is essentially earnings that are generated without your active involvement or without you putting in consistent time and effort. So passive income streams can provide a steady source of income once they are established. They can become a consistent way that you have money coming in, and you can leverage them as a way to build long-term wealth for yourself. That said, it's important to know that passive income can require a significant amount of time to get set up. And this involves research, planning, and even creating your product or your service. And not only can it require a significant amount of time, it can also require a lot of money. And they can be risky, especially if initially the returns are not stable or they're not consistent. However, once you have your passive income streams set up, they tend to require minimal management, minimal time and effort on your end. And if you have built a solid passive income stream, it can be a consistent form of reliable income. But that initial phase of setting it up will require time, effort, and money. That said, it is also important to keep in mind that passive income streams, having passive income streams is not completely hands-off. It's not a set it and forget it. Many passive income streams need some form of management or check-in. And if you forget to do this or you let this lapse, it can result in a loss of revenue or income because you did not check in when you needed to. And passive income comes in many forms. Examples include capital gains, which are profits that result from the sale of an asset such as stocks, real estate, or other investments. From dividends, which are payments made to shareholders by a company from its profits, which are typically paid out in cash or stock and paid quarterly or annually. You can earn passive income from interest, which is earned from lending or having money in an interest-bearing account, such as your savings account or certificate of deposit. From royalties, which are payments made for a patent, trademark, or copyright for the right to use that intellectual property. For example, you write a book. From rental income, which is earned from renting a property such as a house, apartment, or a commercial space. And you could also earn passive income from other income, for example, websites, blogs, online courses, social media presences. These can all generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, long after the effort to create the content has been put in. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tell your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance. And be sure to stop by our website at clevergirlfinance.com. Our blog gets updated every single day, and we have over 30+ completely free courses to help you on your journey to financial wellness. Okay, let's get get back to the topic. So all of that said, now you know what active income is, you know what passive income is, you know different types of these two different incomes. Let's talk about how you can structure earning your active and passive income streams. Number one, you can use active income to generate passive income. So basically, the money you get from your employer from exchanging your time for money from your full-time job is money that you can invest towards building your passive income streams. And what you can do is put a line item in your budget that's dedicated to your investments in passive income. So for example, you can choose to invest in rental property, in stocks and index funds. These are all things that act as a form of passive income once you have set them up and start to funnel cash into them. They grow from appreciation, from dividends, from compounding, and also from just the growth of value of those assets. You can also build passive income from things like starting a course or writing a book. Again, as I mentioned earlier, to build passive income, you're going to need to invest time and effort and money initially, but once you have it up and running, it's minimal management. Number two, use active income to earn more active income. So how this works is you take the money from your current job, from your current business that you're earning by exchanging your time for money, and invest it into generating more active income in yourself by investing in self-development programs, by putting it towards expanding your education or getting certifications and skill sets to earn more at your job. You could take on additional work or side hustles as a way to earn additional active income, or you could use that money, like I mentioned, to get a certification or to get a skill, acquire a skill that will allow you to earn even more money based on that skill or certification at your full-time job, or apply for a better paying job. So that's how you can use active income to create more active income. Number three, you can use passive income to generate active income. So essentially, once you have your passive income streams set up and they're starting to earn you profits and dividends, you can reinvest those profits from your passive income into active income streams. For example, you could take your passive income profits and invest it into launching a new business, starting an online store, for example, launching a franchise, and leverage that passive income to expand your active income streams. And number four, you can use passive income to generate more passive income. So again, once you have your passive income streams set up and they start to generate income from profits, etc., you can take that profit and invest it into other passive income streams. So for example, let's say you start investing in real estate, rental real estate, and your rental real estate is generating passive income with some management. You can leverage those profits and then invest into other passive income streams like the stock market by investing in index funds or ETFs. So when it comes to active and passive income streams, both can be incredibly lucrative, and you can leverage both of them based on your interest and the amount of time you have to dedicate towards building your active and passive income streams. It's all about understanding your different options when it comes to active versus passive income streams so that you can make the decision as to which active income streams you focus on and how to leverage those active income streams to build passive income. Because initially, in order to build passive income, you're going to need to leverage your active income stream. So being able to make those decisions on which passive income stream to prioritize first is really important. And that's why it's important to understand the difference between the two and how they both work. So one scenario is you could leverage your active income to create passive income by putting, like I mentioned, a line item in your budget that you're going to invest in passive income streams each time you get paid. And a low barrier to entry passive income stream you could start with is by investing in your employer's 401k retirement savings plan that gets invested in the stock market, or by opening your own brokerage account and investing in the stock market. You can then think about perhaps you can create another type of passive income stream. Maybe you spend the time and effort to write a book and have that just generate passive income for you when it sells on a platform, for example, like Amazon. So start thinking about ways that you can create your passive income priority list and start to build your passive income with your active income based on that. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance, and stop by our website at clevergirlfinance.com. We have over 30 plus completely free courses, and we update our blog every single day with brand new content. And be sure to tune in to the Clever Girls Know podcast, which you can find everywhere you listen to your podcast episodes. Thanks for tuning in, and I will talk to you next time.